Om Swastiastu. Namun Sakyarti Loka Bali. Menuju Bali era baru. Well, good morning everybody. Let's learn English happily with me, Kadek Ernawati from Vocational High School of Negeri, Denpasar. Now, I'm going to inform you about adverb. It will be very useful for you in making simple routine text. So, have a nice learning. Well, the purpose of learning adverbs is the students are able to know when and where they must use adverb, especially for their daily activities.
First, the meaning of adverbs. An adverb is a word that explains more about a verb. Second, kinds of adverbs with the examples. There are 4 kinds of adverbs, such as adverbs of manner. The adverbs that tell us about the manner, action, or way in which something happens. For examples, slowly. Ayu speaks slowly. Happily. Putu and Ketut work happily. Beautifully. She looked beautifully. Adverbs of place. The adverbs that tell us the place where something happens. For examples, here. Please sit here. Everywhere. They look everywhere. Outside. 2 cars were parked outside. Adverbs of time or frequency. The adverbs that tell us something about the time that something happens. For examples, yesterday. Madi came yesterday. Daily. They deliver the newspaper daily. Sometimes. We sometimes watch a movie. Adverbs of degree. The adverbs that tell us the degree or extent to which something happens. For examples, very. Dayu is very beautiful. Quiet. Komang drove quite dangerously. Really. I really love Bali. The adverbs that is mostly used in daily activities is adverbs of time or frequency, such as always, usually, normally or generally, often or frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, and never.
Now, please have a look to your friends' examples.
I always help my mother every weekend.
Me and my friends never come late to school.
My hobby is playing football, so every Monday I usually play football with my friend.
Thank you, Miss. Goodbye.
Third exercises. Please answer the following questions. Read the question number 1 and answer. Read the question number 2 and answer. Read the question number 3 and answer. the last, read the question number 4 and answer.
Well, that's all about adverbs. Thank you very much for your great attention. Keep burning your spirit in learning and have a good day. Om Santi 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 Om.